This is all just for me. All right, we're going to shoot the Kriss Super V for you a little bit. Very nice rig, as you can hear in the background there. This one will shoot single shot, 2-round burst, and then full automatic. Very interesting design. You'll see a little bit more of this on the YouTube channel as time goes on. We'll be doing probably some work with this gun. But for now, let's make a little racket with it.
What do you attribute this performance to most?
All right, semi-automatic. All right, let's try a little bit on 2-shot burst. We're shooting a gong out about 100 yards. It seems to lob single shots in just fine. Definitely a great CQB rifle. Remember, this is a short barrel gun, so very short barrel. Definitely acceptable accuracy out of this with the optic. Let's try it on 2-shot burst a little bit. You hear that shit? Let's see if I can get 2 shots to land on the gong at 100.
I saw one on TV once. That works for me. All these Hollywood guys think they know guns.
You know, that 2-shot burst, I can definitely see how that 2-shot burst could save your life, you know, in a situation. You're in a building, you know, double tap on command is kind of a nice thing to have. With a little bit of work with this gun, you could definitely control them out to probably 150 yards. Keep those 2-shot bursts on a man-sized target, probably inside of 200 without too much difficulty. We might have to try that. But you know, we have to dump a whole mag in full auto. Can't leave without doing that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Love it. Thing's a bullet hose. Yeah, I think you're going to be seeing more of this gun as time goes on. This thing's a joy to shoot. No recoil at all. Even with that, you know, full auto dump of the whole mag there, it's very controllable. I mean, not that you would, you know, necessarily, in I guess a tactical situation, you wouldn't dump a whole mag, but it's nice to know that you can definitely keep all the shots on target. Beautiful gun, beautiful gun.